Okay, this is Business 342, the practice final set 3, problem number 2. A portfolio is comprised of the following stocks. What is the portfolio beta? So they show the stocks, they show the number of shares, they show the market price per share, and the beta. And the thing that you need to be able to do with this is a little bit hard to do on here, but you actually have to, it's a weighted average, so you've got to figure out the weight of each stock in this portfolio in this case. Okay, they tell you it's 500 shares and it's $42, so you multiply those together and you get $21,000. So what I did was a little bit modified here, but the shares, put the obviously the stock ABC, the shares, the price paid per share, then I got a column called cost. So now we know the cost of each one by just multiplying them. Shares times price equals cost, right? And then the total is 32,600. Now you just figure out the weight, 21,000 divided by 32.6, and so on. And then that gives you a percentage of the weight. These should all add up to 1 or, 0.9999, whatever. So this gives you the weight of each stock in the portfolio. Because obviously if you got $21,000 worth of stock in this should have this one's beta is going to have a lot more weight, because remember, a beta is associated with each individual stock. So to get the total beta for the portfolio, you need to get the weighted average. So now you figure out what percent of the portfolio is stock A, what percent of the portfolio is stock B, what percent of the portfolio is stock C. You multiply the weight times the beta, and that gives you the portion of that beta that makes up the portfolio, just the weighted average. You add them all together, and that gives you the weighted average beta for the portfolio. If you look on page 78 of your workbook, it's got the formula, and it's just a basic formula. The beta of the portfolio, BP, equals the weight of the first stock times the beta of the first stock. That gives you the weighted beta for that. The weight of the second stock times the beta for the second stock. The weight of the third stock times the beta of the third. You're adding them together, all those together, and that gives you your answer. In this case, the answer is 1.28, which is problem D. And again, you can see this formula at the top of page 78, portfolio of betas. And I just added a weight column over here, and then you're just able to multiply them. This is on the samples there. Okay, so that's Business 342, the practice final, set 3, problem number 2.